What are you eating?
Macaron.
How is it?
Good.
Who made that soup for you?
No one did.
Yeah. Mommy's having it for lunch too. Makes us feel good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Does it feel good in your tummy?
And my water.
I'll get your water here.
And my chili cup.
I'll get your Jilly cup. Hey, Jilly. Can you say thank you to Lauren for the soup?
Thank you for soup.
Say we love you.
We love you.
It's good stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll go get your water.